Alright, today we're going to take out a Honda Ignition. I've seen a lot of different things online on how to do it, but this is the easiest and fastest way I've seen how to do it. So here we go. You got 3 screws to take the clamshell off, or the cover. And then once we're here, I take the wiper switch out. Now you don't have to take this out, but I do it just to get to this back screw that they have in here. This is the easiest I found to get it out. And there's just 2 screws holding this, and it comes right out. And then there's 4 screws holding your immobilizer, and this is just a light behind it. One. Alright. Now sometimes there's a roll pin right here, and sometimes it'll be loose enough you could just tap it and it comes out, which it looks like this one is. But if it's not, there's a gap right here you can put your screwdriver in, and I usually just tap it in and then pop it out. But it's a whole lot easier than drilling. There's no damage to it at all. It scratches this up, but it's still less damage than if you were to drill the entire roll pin out right here next to it. But then you just repair it, replace it, make a key to it. There's a key code on it, whatever you need to do, and then put it back together.